Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of TLC's most talked about specials from 2010, Extreme Cougar Wives. Back then, Hollywood was obsessed with the idea of cougars, from Cougar Town to Desperate Housewives, and even Jennifer Lopez's real-life romance with Casper Smart. So, TLC decided to put real-life couples in the spotlight. The 3-episode special aired in 2012 and pulled in over 1 million viewers. But more than a decade later, where are these couples and their younger partners now? Let's break it all down. Jude Bradley and Kevin Herrera. Jude and Kevin shocked audiences with their 33-year age gap. Jude was even older than Kevin's mother when they tied the knot, but the two proved critics wrong. As of 2023, Kevin shared a selfie with Jude on Instagram, captioned, "Baseball date with my darling." Clearly, the couple is still going strong. Hattie Weiner. Hattie was 76 when she appeared on the show, and she instantly became its star. She embraced the cougar lifestyle and was open about her love life. Even in a 2022 interview, she proudly declared that she's still dating and having fun, but ultimately still searching for her true man. She remains as bold and outspoken as ever. Stephanie Risley. Stephanie made headlines when she said, "I think sex keeps everyone young." During the series, she dated Octavio, who was 37 years her junior. These days, Stephanie has shifted focus to her career. She works as a life and spiritual coach in Los Angeles and regularly shares insights on her Instagram. Kathy Newman. Kathy's catchphrase was, "Inspire, not expire," and she lived it. Back then, she was 54 and dating a man half her age. Today, Kathy continues to look fabulous and stays active on Facebook. She often shares updates with her fans, recently saying, "Hope you are staying safe, hope I could start performing soon." Sherry Winkleman and Desmond Huey. When we first met Sherry and Desmond, she was 50 and he was 26. Sherry last posted about Desmond in 2019, writing from Cannes, "Missed the last few years, but a great time was had during the wild ride of the film fest." Since then, Sherry has focused on her own creative projects, while Desmond seems dedicated to building a career as a production assistant. Geraldine Saunders. Geraldine wasn't just a cougar, she was a pioneer. She dated a man 46 years, her junior, but she was also famous as the creator of The Love Boat, inspired by her own trailblazing career as the first female cruise director for a major cruise line. Sadly, Geraldine passed away in 2019 at the age of 96, leaving behind a legacy far bigger than reality TV. Extreme Cougar Wives gave us a glimpse into unconventional relationships that sparked curiosity, debate, and plenty of drama. More than 10 years later, some of these cougars are still thriving, some are still searching for love, and others have left a lasting mark in entirely different ways. One thing is clear, they definitely made reality TV history.